So we have another kind of wireless charger for your desk. Now, we did one a couple days ago, which we liked, and it was a portable charger. Now, this one, less portable, more sit on your desk all the time. So this one here is the SODI, as you can see here, SODI. Sunflow, I'm guessing it's called. Sunflow 3-in-1 wireless charger. You can see it here, magnetic 15 watt. Again, this one is 15 watts, just like the other one. So we are seeing some Qi charging that's getting it a little bit faster, which is good. One is enough. And it's, you know what? It's true. It used to be before, we had an Apple Watch charger. We had a Qi charger for our AirPods. We had a Qi charger for our phone. It's nice to see, these, not that this is new. We've seen 3-in-1s a lot, but it's also about just design, design. This one's got a cool feature. I don't know if you can see it here in this little picture. It says snap and fast charging, but I'm pretty sure this is why this one's called the Sunflow. Is that little area somewhere on the phone or on the charger, there's a little light, as far as I know. And it may either be, I don't even know if it's on the base or if it's on the charger itself. And well, look at that, unlock 10% off your first order if you so choose to do that. I'm pretty sure this one had a light, which is why it was called the Sunflow, right? Because sun. Anyways, you guys can follow the links down below if you guys are interested in seeing any of this stuff. Oh, there it is. There's a little light. See the light on the bottom? That's kind of nice. Little night light thing. If you're going night light design. Sunflow. Yeah, that's cool. I don't know how much this costs. If I said add to cart, would it tell me? I'm guessing, let's pretend I'm adding to cart. View my cart just to see how much. Yeah, so 40 bucks American on sale from 57. That's not horrible. All right, let's take a look at this. So, a nice box, right? It says 15 watt max for the phone, 2.5 watt max, probably 2.5 watts for the Apple Watch charger, and 5 watts for the AirPods, ear things, right? I always get that wrong. I always do. Anyways, this has a little sticker guy on it, so I'm just going to see if I can take that off. And again, I don't know. I think it comes in 2 possible colors. And this one definitely looks on the box like the white one, but it says you can get black or white, as you can see here. But I don't know if it changes the box itself. All right, okay. So just so you can see what you get a USB cable. So this is a USB-C to USB-C. We are seeing that more often. So realize if you do have to plug this in, that you have a USB-C charger. Let's see, you get this. You get a little tiny manual. Very cool. And this inside here it's telling me to open. So, oh, it does come with a little charger with a USB-C. That's excellent. A fairly big box, but it's great. That's great that it comes with a charger. I appreciate that. We're just going to put that over there because we are going to use that. And I have power here, but it fell behind the floor. So hold on. All right, we're all power set up. Yeah, I like that. I like that it came with a little charger, because so many companies now are just like, you can figure that out. Deal with it yourself. Anyways, let's take a look. I like this. It's got a decent stand. Now, I'm going to keep all this blue stuff. I don't know if those are stickers because they have quite the reflection on them. I'm going to keep them on, though, just because, maybe one day I'll want to sell this. So it's kind of cool. This is where, of course, at the bottom where you're going to put your AirPods. But because it's a big base, my guess is you could charge maybe even a second phone. Now, it wouldn't be fast. You could charge any kind of other brand of Qi compatible wireless earbuds or something like that. This, of course, is MagSafe, so it's going to want an iPhone with MagSafe on it. And then, of course, this up here is your watch. Now, the only thing I would like to have seen with this, and it's kind of hard, because the Apple Watch has nightstand view. So I do like to have chargers possibly that, you can put the watch in nightstand view. This one is going to sit straight down, so you're not going to be able to do that. But because of its design, I don't think that's really something that it's set up for. But I do like the chrome and the white. I think it looks very stylish. You know, I think that's nice. Let's just, do I have a USB-C cable? I do. I have a spare one. I'm not going to use theirs. I'm just going to plug this in. Okay. Because again, the whole thing is like 15 watt max. So this should be fine. I'm just going to plug that over there. My guess is, this is my guess. Yeah. So I got a little, there's a little, you may be able to see it. See the little flashy light? I don't know if you'll be able to see it. If I tap that. Oh yeah. It's not like bright, but you know what? That's cool. It's just on and off. It's just a night light, right? And I think this would actually be really nice because, you know, if you're in a room or something, if it gets like dark, I have a problem. I actually have problems sleeping if it's like dark. So this little night light just gives you a little bit of light. You can have it. It's just, maybe it's have it on all the time. So, you know, you turn off your light switch and usually your room is completely black. So this will give you just enough little light maybe to be able to see where you're going, right? But it's not enough to stop you from sleeping, and then you can tap that to turn it off. That's cool. I like that, right? Just a little green light there. Yeah, that's all right. That's okay. All right, and then let's just see. So if I have my phone here, you know, and we'll just see if it snaps on good, even with the thing here. And yeah, you guys may or may not be able to see that, right? Where is it? Right there. Yeah, it's charging. It's not going to tell you how fast it's charging. And if I had my Apple Watch, I don't have AirPods. I just take that and put that in the back, right? Boom, charging. Yes. It is kind of weird. I don't know why it does that. You notice this? Isn't that the little? So let's say I have it like this. I let it go. I wonder if it's slightly. My guess is that it's slightly tilted a little bit this way, and because my watch is heavier on the one side, I'm curious if I put it that way, does it? Yeah. So that's my watch. I was like, why does it do that? Okay, that's fine. Now the other one, I wonder if you had it down here, would it charge if I found a spot? Yeah. So yeah, it charges down here too. So that's cool. It all works. You know, it's a wireless charger. Really, nowadays, I think we buy wireless charging. But a lot of it is based on appearance, right? And if they have some kind of cool secondary feature that we're like, well, that's neat. I like that. This has at least something. I like that little light. You know, again, this would be great for the bedroom, for the office, anything like that you can have kind of turned on. I wouldn't say this is going to be something for travel because it doesn't fold up or anything like that, but that's not really what it was designed for. It does all three of your Apple products, or again, this part down here can charge another phone, a little slow, or third-party other branded Qi products because the base is big enough. These two parts up top, Apple, but that works for me. All right, guys, I'll leave links down below to where you guys can check this out if you want. And that's it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Later. Or next day. Every 2 days. I'm so used to doing them every day. Now we're doing every second day because, you know, I need some time for other stuff. All right, guys, I'm out. Later.